Picture this. You walk into a bakery and the smell of freshly baked bread wraps around you like a warm hug. But have you paused to wonder, how exactly does bread rise? Why does that dense, sticky dough transform into a fluffy golden loaf? Today we're diving into the science behind bread rising, a tale of fungi, gas, and molecular magic. Let's unravel this together. At the heart of our story lies a microscopic hero, yeast. It's more than just an ingredient. It's a single-celled fungus. When you combine yeast with flour, water, and sugar, something magical happens. Yeast goes on a feast. It munches on the sugar and starch in flour through a process called fermentation. During fermentation, yeast breaks down these sugars and produces alcohol and carbon dioxide gas as byproducts. Why is this important? That CO2 gas is the star of the show. It gets trapped in the stretchy, elastic gluten network within the dough. Think of gluten as a net, catching those little CO2 bubbles. The more bubbles the yeast creates, the puffier the dough gets. But wait, why does the gluten behave like this? Gluten is a protein found in wheat. When mixed with water and kneaded, gluten molecules form a network that can stretch and trap gas. Kneading aligns these gluten molecules, making your dough elastic and strong, ready to hold those little bubbles. Without this network, the CO2 would escape, and you'd end up with flat bread. Temperature plays a key role, too. A warm environment helps yeast thrive, speeding up gas production. But don't overheat it, otherwise you'll kill the yeast before it gets to work. Baking seals the deal. As the dough bakes, the heat causes trapped gas bubbles to expand further. The alcohol evaporates, and the gluten network firms up, giving bread its solid structure and delightful texture. Ever heard of sourdough bread? Its rise depends on wild yeast and bacteria joining forces. Together, they create that tangy flavor alongside the rise. Baking truly marries art and science. So the next time you bite into a piece of bread, think about the scientific orchestra that made it all possible. Yeast, gluten, and heat perform together to create this edible masterpiece. Now you're not just eating bread, you're savoring a science experiment. Could you imagine a world without bread? Or worse, without yeast? Nope, us neither. Share this science story and spread the bread love. Until next time, keep questioning the world, one fact at a time.